Members of the Nigerian Red Cross Society, Edo State branch, led by their chairmo, Pastor Monday Edogiawere, waka go government house for Benin City for one courtesy visit to see the Edo State Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa. For the courtesy visit, the chairmo of the Nigerian Red Cross Society Edo State branch, Pastor Monday Edogiawere, talk say dem happy to visit, say the Edo State Red Cross go support the current administration. According to am, the main aim of Red Cross na to help people wey dey suffer, whether from disaster, poverty or other problems, especially women, children, old people and other displaced persons. He tok say everything wey Red Cross dey do na for the sake of humanity. He also thank the Edo State government for the better development wey dey happen for the state now. Finally, he beg make government help release the 2025 annual subvention wey belong to the Edo State branch of the Nigerian Red Cross.
This year, the Edo State branch of the Nigerian Red Cross Society joined in the global celebration by organizing events that align with the strategic plans of the National Society, focusing on this year's theme on the side of humanity. The theme promotes the idea of giving with a sense of empathy for humanity, acknowledge the ability to understand and share the feelings of others, recognizing our shared human experiences and emotions. It involves compassion, kindness, and a willingness to help others. The Nigerian Red Cross Society objective revolve around alleviating suffering, particularly among vulnerable populations, and promoting humanitarian principles. This includes assisting victims of disaster, epidemics, and armed conflicts, as well as supporting health and social welfare programs. The Nigerian Red Cross Society also focuses on strengthening its national capacity to respond to emergencies and conflicts, and on fostering a culture of volunteerism and humanitarianism. The Nigerian Red Cross Society aims to assist victims of disaster, epidemics, armed conflicts, and poverty, with a particular focus on vulnerable groups like women, children, the aged, the displaced persons, promoting humanitarian principles. Nigerian Red Cross work to build a robust national society capable of responding to a wide range of emergencies, conflicts with professionalism and efficiency. I will look at developing volunteers. Nigerian Red Cross focuses on engaging and developing the potential of young people to serve as volunteers in humanitarian efforts. In promoting health and welfare, Nigerian Red Cross Society conducts various health programs, including community-based health and first aid training and disaster preventive initiatives. When we look at the disaster preparedness and response, Nigerian Red Cross Society plays a crucial role in preparing for and responding to disasters, including search and rescue, evacuation of injured and diseased, and managing shelters. Global contribution. Nigerian Red Cross Society aims to contribute significantly to humanitarian efforts, both regionally and globally. Every day we are inundated with the news of situations of violence, local conflicts, international armed conflicts, floods, climate crisis, building collapses, herders and farmers clashes, earthquakes, mudslides, heat waves, both capsizing while contributing ones confronting us in Nigeria, including banditry attacks, kidnappings, abductions, carjacking, insurgency, and terrorism. To interest you to know that the last 6 months, the act of being on the side of humanity has helped us reach over 1,500 beneficiaries with livelihood support to cushion the effect of the 2024 flood disaster in Ogbonge, in Ovia Northeast, Ikpe, in Ogbonge, Igoreke, Oboluma, and its local community in Ovia Southwest, all in Edo State. The Edo State branch also responded to 2024 mpox outbreak, Lassa fever, amongst others. Other activities include Red Cross school units, emergency response during disaster, public health education, restoring family link, and prison sanitation It is in this act of, on the side of humanity thinking, that inform every action of the Nigerian Red Cross Society as it goes into communities to implement various programs of all kinds, generally targeted at being kind to people, especially vulnerable populations. Everything we do at the Red Cross are driven by being on the side of humanity. The Nigerian Red Cross Society will request for your collaboration in this year 2025 annual first aid, disaster management and leadership training camp scheduled for 17th to 23rd of August 2025 through partnership and sponsorship. Your Excellency, it will interest you to know that statutorily in every state, the Executive Governor is the patron of the Nigerian Red Cross Society. We wish to also inform you that the Nigerian Red Cross Society Edo State Branch Executive Committee has long resolved to have you as the Red Cross Humanitarian Ambassador. The investor proposed to hold during the opening ceremony in this year 2025 annual first aid, disaster and leadership training camp opening ceremony scheduled for Tuesday, 19th August 2025. While a lot have been achieved by past leaders and the present administration led by my humble self, the society would have done more if not some of the challenges of the branch, which include 1, inadequate funds, 2, lack of operational vehicles to ambulance. Our appeal, we want to thank Edo State government for the laudable developmental currently going on in the states. We seize the opportunity to appeal to His Excellency to help facilitate the release of the 2025 annual subvention to the Edo State branch of the Nigerian Red Cross Society. Your Excellency, sir, the Deputy Governor, we will appreciate and value your support and look forward to continuous collaboration. Thank you. Thank you very much.
The Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa, welcomed them as them come in office and thanked them well for the support and work with them they do to make sure peace and stability dey for the state. He also hailed them for all the help with them they give different groups and body inside Edo. Idahosa come assured them say His Excellency Senator Monday Okpewolo they ready to support and work together with the Red Cross team. According to him, Red Cross na the key people when it comes to emergency or disaster matter, say them they always show face to handle situation. As for the complaints where them bring, he talk say he go carry the matter go meet the governor.
This is opportunity to welcome all of you this morning to Government House and the House of Edo people. First, let me appreciate your team because I have listened to you keenly, and I want to thank you for all your contributions, your support in ensuring that there is peace and stability in our dear state. I also want to thank you for all the assistance you have given to different bodies when it requires. The state government, ably led by Distinguished Senator Monday Okpewolo, wants you to know that he is willing to support you in everything you want to do. We also want to thank you and we want you to sustain what your founding fathers, the objective of the founding fathers laid before now. Because Red Cross, growing up, we're virtually involved in everything. When there is an emergency, when there is, just like you mentioned, you were a key factor in when there is any crisis in the land, you will see Red Cross there. And when there is an emergency, disaster, you're always there to manage the situation. And today, in areas where there are wars, the Red Cross are very, very visible. So we want to thank you for all that you have done. For Edo State, let me restrict it to our state. We appreciate everything you are doing, and we are going to collaborate with you for sustainability. Most of the requests you made, I will channel to the Executive Governor of Edo State, Distinguished Senator Monday Ogbonge, and in no distant time we'll be meeting with you again. So on behalf of the state government, I want to thank you for what you are doing, and we pray that you will continue to do what you do. And all the support, I'm also appealing to well-to-do citizens of Edo State, corporate bodies, and with the government who will support you and collaborate with you to ensure that you continue to do what you are doing for the interests of Edo people. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
Sound. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohi feme onosimwa, TMC News.